Hello, Namaskara students. Good evening and welcome to the 45 days Navodaya crash course. So, tell me everyone, is it audible? I hope it's audible to everyone, right? Okay, good. So, tell me what did we study in the last class? That is yesterday. So, we studied the two chapters of mental ability, that is pattern completion and mirror images, right? So, I gave the homework questions also. So I hope everyone has completed and commented on the video, right? Today we'll study the next part, that is, as you can see here, figure series. What we'll study now? We'll study figure series. So what you mean by figure series and all, I will explain, and you can listen and understand that. Okay, so everyone like the video and share with your friends. This is a 45-day Navodaya crash course. Okay, so let's go to the next chapter, that is questions of the figure series. How it will be in the figure series, there will be three figures will be given and the fourth figure will be missing. Fourth figure will be missing, so that we have to identify from the series. So this is the first one, this is the second, this is the third, and this is the fourth, right? So we have to see and analyze the series pattern. So we have to analyze the pattern here, and what will come next we have to see. So if you see here, the color is moving in the clockwise direction, right? This will come here now. So in the ABCD, what will be the answer here? Tell me, in the ABCD what will be the answer? Yes, so answer option B is the correct for the first question, right? Very easy. Now if you see the second one, if you see the second question, this is the first, this is the second, this is the third, and this is the fourth. Now if you see the second question, one arrow is moving clockwise and one arrow is moving anti-clockwise, or that is, it is at the same place. So only one arrow is moving, only one arrow is moving here. So then this moved here, then this will move here, means so it will be intersecting each other. So answer will be option B for the second one. Okay, don't be confused, only one arrow is moving for the second one, so B is the correct answer. Okay, now very good. Now if you see the third question, if you see the third question, what is it? That is, it is rotating, it is rotating clockwise and the color is what? Missing. So right, that is, one is colored, one is non-color. So if it rotates again clockwise, what happens? This will be horizontal, this will be horizontal, and there will be no color. So means horizontal and no color is option C is the third one, right? Very good. Now if you see the fourth one, what is it? The lines are increasing here, one line increased and then this is increased and then this is increased and then this will go here. So it will look like, that is 2, it will look like 2. So answer option C is the correct one. Answer option C is the correct answer here. Okay, so this is how you have to do it. I hope you understood. So I will go to the next slide and tell me the answers for this. So that is first, second, and third and fourth. So I will give 10 seconds for you and you have to answer in that. So students, we'll see the answers here. That is, what is happening here? The figure is rotating clockwise, right? One is colored, one is not colored. So if you again rotate it, this will face upward. So, and there will be no color. So answer is option C. Everyone told option C is the correct. Very good. So if you see in the second one, the number of sides here, 3 sides are there, here 4, here 5. Then next will be 6 side. Next will be how much? 6 side. So 6 sides is in which figure? Option A, that is the 6 side. Okay, so it is not C, don't be confused. The total number of sides are how many? 7 sides. Okay, there are how many sides? 7 sides. So that is why not C. Okay, so the answer is option A for the second. Third one, if you see what is happening, the relation, that is this, the first and third, if you see, that is what? Mirror image. Okay, and the same if you go for second and fourth, that will be what? Answer will be option D for the third one, right? Everyone is telling D, that is correct. Okay, your answer is correct. Very good. So next here, next that is fourth one. You increase the volume. You increase the volume if it is low. Okay, increase the volume. Okay, so next if you see, that is fourth question. If you see the fourth question, what is it? Yeah, so my volume is little less. Okay, fine, so I will increase my volume. So here fourth question, if you see A, C, E, so what is happening? After A there is B is not there, after C D is not there, so E, after E F will not be there, after F G will come. So here answer will be option A, G will be the answer, right? So that is how, what you have to do, you have to change the and see the pattern. What you have to do, you have to see the pattern. Okay, what happened? Not able to hear? Hello? Okay, so next here, yes, everyone is able to hear, right? So that is how you have to identify the figures. Okay, so that is what we are learning. We are learning figure series. What we are learning? We are learning figure series here. Okay, 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 good. So that is, we have to see what? See the 3 figures. If I see 1 2 3 and identify the fourth figure in the pattern. Okay, so that is how we have to see the figure series and solve the questions. Okay, okay, good. Now let's go to the next, that is these questions. Now first, second, third, fourth, tell me the answers. Okay, students, let me solve now. That is, if you see the first one, if you see the first one, what is happening? It is, these are all even numbers. So plus 2, 12 plus 2, 14, 14 plus 2, 16, 16 plus 2, 18. So answer is option C, right? These are even numbers. Okay, next, second one, if you see, this smiley moved down and there was 1, it became 2, and again this smiley moved here and now there are 3, and this smiley will move up, there will be how many? 4 smiley, right? So 4 smiley there will be in a straight line, that is the answer option D here. There they will be in this corner, that is top left corner. Okay, so top left corner means answer option D here. Very good. Okay, now let's go to the next, that is third question. if you see, one dot is coming here extra, and then one line is missing here, right? So that is line is missing anti-clockwise, okay, and the dot is coming clockwise. So that will be one extra here, and then one line will go, this line will go away, right? So the answer will be what? Answer option A for the third one, right? So answer option A for the third one, okay. So this will go away. So if I draw it, this line went, okay, and then there will be here square and circle, and this side circle, there will be square here, right? So that is how it will look. So answer option A for the third one. Now fourth answer, if you see what is happening, the arrow is moving, okay. So when it is horizontal, there are two heads. When there is horizontal, it is two heads, this both the sides, right? So that is why this will move here, means there will be two heads, right? So answer option A here. So that there will be two heads on the both side, right? So arrow heads. So that is why answer option A for the fourth one. So this is how we have to solve the figure series, isn't it? That is, we have to see first three figures, first, second, third, and identify the fourth figure, okay. Will everyone be able to do? Very, very easy, right? Now let me do next set of questions here. Tell me the answers. Okay, now let us discuss the questions now. That is first one. So what is it? This is moving anti-clockwise, right? Okay, so if it moves anti-clockwise, this will be straight up, right? So this will be like Z, straight up. So and then what next? It will be what? That is, if you see the star, if you see the star, what is happening? It is moving anti-clockwise, okay. So if it is moving, that is clockwise, star is moving clockwise. So answer option will come what? The answer will be option. So if you see star, so star will be C option, okay. Star will come in this fashion, that is after the, so C option will be the correct option, okay. Second one, if you see, this is rotated anti-clockwise, okay. So this will come down. So if it faces down, so answer option C for the second one, okay. Now third one, so this is also rotating anti-clockwise, right? So this will go up, so it will look like option A. Yes, very easy. Now fourth one, okay. So fourth one, if you see 1 9 25, what are these? These, if you see, 1 1 za, that is 1 square, right? 3 3 za 9, so that is 3 square. 5 5 za 25, that is 5 square. So these are odd numbers, 1 3 5. Next will be 7 7 za, that is 49. So answer will be option A, option 49 is the correct answer, okay. These are all odd numbers. These are what? Odd numbers. We have to take odd numbers and then find their square, okay. Okay, good. So that is the answer. So now let's go to the next set of questions here, students. that is these. So tell me the answers here. So the first one, second one, third one, and fourth one. Okay. Okay. Now let us solve the answers. So here there is no dot. Okay, no dot here, and then next is there are two dots. So 0, 2, and then total are how many here? After 2, then there are 3 here, and then it will be what? So there will be how many dots here? So in the front there will be 4. Okay, there will be 4 dots. So 4 dots will come on the front face. So if there are 4, it will be which option? So if you see, C will not be, D will also be not possible. So can it be A or can it be B? So if you see, they are in a straight line. They are in a straight line. So straight line means option A will come. Okay. So it is not in any pattern. So not possible. So it is a straight line. That is why answer option A will come for the first one. Okay. Okay, good. Next, second one. If you see, just observe any one of the figure and it will be easy for you to identify the answer. Okay. So if you see what is happening, this pentagon came here, and in the next figure from here to here it came. So this should move here now, right? Pentagon should move here. So which option has pentagon in the, that is bottom right corner? So right, bottom right corner, if you have to see, there will be pentagon. That is the answer. Here it is different, here it is colored, here it is colored, not possible. Here it is a square. So C, that is B, C, D will not be. So only A is the answer for the second one, right? Okay. So third one, if you see, what are the answers? That is the patterns are moving, isn't it? The patterns are moving in the clockwise direction. So the same, if it moves here, what will be the answers? So the non-color part will be in the top right corner. So top right corner, and then the that is what you see. So wall pattern will be in the top left corner, right? And then the answer will come around option C. That is C is the answer. Okay. So but here that is colored, this is fully colored, solid color, right? So that is why it may you may get confused, but it will not be A, because this is a different color part, that is pattern, and B will also be not come, and what, that is D is the answer, sorry, D is the answer, sorry, D is the answer, right? So not C, because that is color, that is not solid color, that is not a pattern, right? So that is a answer option C for the third one. Okay. Okay, good. Now let's go for the fourth one. So what is happening, only one is there, then there are two, one, and there will be two. Okay. So answer option B for ball will be the correct answer for the fourth one. Okay. These are the answers. So you can replay these videos, you can go back and play again if any doubts, so it will be easy for you to clarify them. Okay, students, let's go to the next part, that is these questions? Tell me the answers. So now let me solve these questions, students. So here what is happening, if you see, this is moving clockwise, the marks are moving clockwise direction. So this is moving here and this is moving here, then this will move here and then this will move here, right? So if you see according to that, the answer will be option what? Option B will be the answer, right? Option B will be the answer. Okay, so because one should be horizontal, one should be vertical, not A, because both are vertical, not possible, right? If you see in the question, one is horizontal, one is vertical, so this fashion it will be. Okay, so first B is the answer. Second one, A, E, I, you know what will be the next? That is, these are vowels, right? These are vowels, means A, E, I, O will come. So answer option A here. Okay, now third one, so there is one extra figure added here, that is non-color, and then here also one extra figure will be added in the next, that is non-color. So answer option B for ball. Okay, good. Now fourth one, so what is happening, this plus sign is becoming into, plus became into, and then plus will become into here, right? That is multiplication symbol. So what is happening, there are 3 here, there are 2, then 1, then 0. So the symbols, right, that is the ends are what? Shapes. 3 shapes are there, here 2 shapes, here 1 shape, here 0 shapes. So it will be multiplication symbol with no symbol, that is figures. So C is the correct answer for the fourth question. Okay, you got it right? Yes, many of you are doing it correctly, very good. Okay, let's go next, that is what? These questions. So these will be homework for you, you have to do it and comment the answers in the comment section. So this will be homework. Okay, these are very easy, not much difficult, you can easily identify. So what you have to do, once again I am repeating, so there will be 4 figures, 1 2 3 4. So that is 3 figures will be given and you have to identify the fourth figure by seeing the pattern. By seeing the pattern, you have to identify the pattern, what is happening, and then easily you can find what will be the next fourth figure. Okay, so this is what we learnt about figure series. What we learnt? We learnt about figure series. Okay, so in this they can be asking figures or numbers or letters, they can ask anything. Okay, so you just have to be ready and by practicing many more questions. Okay, let's go to the next chapter, that is we will study now analogy. So what we will study? We will study analogy chapter now. Okay, so what you mean by analogy, I will teach you and then we'll see the questions for them. Okay, okay, good. So here analogy, analogy means what? I will explain with a question. So there will be first and second figure and third and fourth figure. So these two will be related, these two will be related. Okay, so same relation should be there from third and fourth. So same relation should be there from third and fourth. Okay, so there should be same relation between third and fourth. If you see what is happening, this is a multiplication symbol, there is a multiplication. Now this is a plus symbol, there will be plus sign. So if it is a plus sign means answer option C. Okay, so once again I am explaining for the second. So see here, that is here first and second will be related, the same relation should be there between third and fourth. Okay, third and fourth here. So what is happening here, half of the part is colored here, half part is colored here. So here also half part will be colored, that is in the bottom. So the circle half part, bottom of the half, bottom half if it is colored, so it will be answer option D. Okay, so there should be same relation existing. Now tell me the third answer. Now this is what, there are 4 sides, here there are 3, 1 less. So here there will be what, here there are 6 means there will be 5. So there will be pentagon, there will be pentagon, that is single figure. Okay, so single figure pentagon means answer option A for the third. Okay, good. Now tell me the fourth answer, tell me the fourth answer, that is this is 5 sided figure, pentagon 5. Okay, this is how many sides, 6 sides, there will be a 6 number. So answer option C for the fourth one. Yes, very good. So what is analogy, tell me. We have to see first and second figure, identify the relation. What you have to find, identify the relation, and same relation we have to apply for the third and fourth figure, third and fourth figure. So you will get the fourth figure easily. So this is how we have to identify the fourth missing figure. Okay, will everyone be able to do? Very good. Now solve these questions now. So first, second, third and fourth question. So tell me the answers here. First one, second one, third one and the fourth question. Solve these. Okay, students, I will be explaining them now. So here if you see the relation, what is the relation here? So the relation is multiplied. So 4 5s are, it is multiplied with 5, 20. 8 5s will be how much? 40. Answer option D is the correct one, right? Very good. Now second one, this is reversed, that is reversed. So this is reverse now. So reverse means if you reverse this, what will answer come? That is answer option A for the second one. Okay, now if you see the third one, the dot rotated clockwise. So if you rotate this dot again clockwise, what will come answer? So answer option D for the third, right? So D for the third one. Fourth one, if you see, there is a extra line added. So this extra line will go away means there will be option C correct, right? That answer, sorry, answer option D here, right? That is a horizontal circles, right? Those are horizontal circles. So if you remove the line, that will be answer option D will be the correct answer here. Okay, okay, good. Now let's go to the next, that is these questions, first, second, third and fourth. Explain, that is comment the answers. Okay, so let's go next. That is first question. So students, what is the answer here? If you see the relation, so if you see the relation, it is rotated, right? So just we have to rotate it 180 degree. So if you rotate this 180 degree, it will be reversed, right? So if you see the I will come down, don't be confused. So I will come down and this will go up. Otherwise you can easily identify using this, right? So this will become up. So if it becomes up, so it will be option B, not D. Don't be confused here. Okay, so answer option is option B is the correct answer here. Okay, okay, good. Now let's see the second answer. So if you see the second one, what is happening? The triangle is rotated and one square is added in that. Okay, and the color is also, pattern is also added, right? So if you apply the same here, if you apply the, so if you see what is happening here, okay, so this square is outside, it will go, it is going inside, and the circle is what, this circle is moving outside, the square is moving inside, and the triangle is also moving one outside, and there is a pattern. So same way if you apply, so that is what, the triangle will go inside, right? And then the circle, the square will move outside, right? And the circle will move one more outside, right? So here answer option D is the correct answer, option D. So outside circle, that is square, right? And then inside will be the triangle. So that is why answer option D is the correct one. Okay, students, everyone like the video and you can share with your friends also. So third question, so if you see it is rotated how many degrees, 180 degrees, that is reversed. Okay, so if you again reverse this, it will look as option C, that is the correct one. Okay, okay, good. Now we'll see this fourth question. What is the relation? We run on a track, that is running track, you may have heard of, right? So that is a running track. So shuttle is played on what? Shuttle is played in a court, shuttle court, right? So shuttle court will be the answer, option A is the correct one. Okay, okay, good. Now let us see the next, that is first, second, third and fourth. Tell me the answers here. First, second, third and fourth question, tell me the answers. Okay, students, let us solve the questions now. Here, if you see the three circles, so the color is moving in this manner, right? Right? So if you same apply this, the color will move to the right side. So answer option C for the first one. Now second question. So 4 is becoming 9. So what will happen? If you see, that is 4, that is what will be the pattern here? So here 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 9. So if you apply 25 2s are 50, 50 plus 1, 51, not there. Okay, so that is not there. So here 2 square, so what you do is you go with the square numbers. So 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 3 3s are 9. So we just have to take the next number of the 2. Here 5 is, that is 25 is 5 square, so we have to take 6 square. So 6 square will be answer 36. So that is answer option D is the correct one. Okay, everyone got it right? Yes, very good. Now let's go to the third one. So here it is moving what? Diagonally. It is moving diagonally. So these two are exchanged, these two are exchanged, right? So the same, if you apply, these two will be exchanged and these two will be exchanged. So what answer will come, tell me? So answer will come as option A here, right? Answer option A will come, that is the correct. Fourth one, if you see what is happening, inside the square there is one rectangle coming, right? So the same way, if you apply the same here for this also, so what will happen, there will be what? Square in that, that is option A is the correct. Okay, so don't be confused with B and any other, right? Because there is a triangle. So here if you see, this is a square, same square is coming, this triangle is becoming what? That is rectangle. So same figure here also, that is pentagon will come, right? The same figure pentagon will come here. Okay, so same figure pentagon will come, and then there will be a what? That is rectangle inside. Okay, so this is what you have to do, you have to solve the questions. Okay, okay, good. So let's go next, student. So these I will give as a homework. Okay, so you have to do this as a homework, and what? You have to comment the answers in the comment box. Okay, so will everyone do it? So this is your homework for you. Okay, so second question, third question, and then the fourth question, these are the homework for you, and you have to comment in the comment box. So thank you for watching, students, and this is a 45-day live in Navodaya, what? That is crash course, right? So you can share with your friends and inform your relatives and everyone, so to attend, and you can prepare for the Navodaya exam. Okay, thank you, bye bye.